is Baby Moses. I'm sorry. So
he died. Mom, where my dad? He died for us.
He died for us. Little brother loved him too and tickled his tiny toe. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I am Ate Queeny and it's a Thursday today, and kada Webes sa aking channel makikita nyo si Pretty Little Thea. Magkakaroon tayo ng challenges, hauls, unboxing, at mga pa-experiment for kids. So for those of you who are interested to see us do them, mag-subscribe na sa ating channel. Say hi to them. Did you already say hi to them? So, ang hashtag natin every Thursday is Thursdays with Thea. We are going to unbox my Bible friends! Oh, idea nyo yun, guys. Okay, so i-unbox natin. Slowly open the box. And ta-da! Yes! This is what this box contains.
Hey, you got that from church.
No. Akala na kinuha ko daw sa church. No, Thea. The church has also its own copy, and this is our copy. So, salamat sa aking friend na nag-sponsor nito. So, a friend of mine sent me money for Thea and Vernon as a gift. And sabi niya ako na daw bahala kung anong gusto kong bilhin. But I thought of investing something na to help them know more about Jesus, especially in their formative years. That is, for me, there is the right time to start to tell them who is Jesus. What did he do to save us?
He died. Mom, where my dad? He died for us.
He died for us.
Papa, do you like my bang?
I like your hair.
Papa likes her hair too. This book contains stories of mga sikat na stories from the Bible. So the first book is about, who is this?
Baby Moses.
Yeah. The second volume is about Joseph. This is about Joseph's new coat and Joseph and his brothers. This one is about, so yeah, this.
And the children.
And oh, who's this?
Samuel.
That's right. So Samuel and David, Naaman, and the miracle of the loaves and fishes. Who is the orphan who has no mommy and daddy, and she became queen? Who was that? Who's that? Esther.
I love this story.
You love this story? And yeah?
And what is this?
This is Joash.
Queen and king.
Yeah! That's right, because Joash became king, right? So he's the youngest king. And oh, here, how about this one? The one with this one?
Noah Ark.
That's right. And this one?
I said Noah Ark.
Noah Ark. Who is this? The one who's always praying. Very good. And last but not the least, this is who climbed up the sycamore tree?
It's
What? Very good.
pretty very short.
And this is Jabal the shepherd.
Who's Jabal?
Oh, actually, I also
Where's
forgot this story.
Where's Jabal?
I'm just very excited to read to them stories from the Bible every night before we go to bed. So this video is for all the mothers out there like me who are thinking of the best things to give their children. One of the best things that we can give to them is to teach them how to grow their faith and how to grow their knowledge of Jesus Christ. And that is by giving them tools or books that will help them know Him more. At ang physical features ng Bible Friends ay meron siyang hardcover, may more or less 20 pages, and the paper na ginamit nila ay parang cardboard-like. And it has 10 volumes. At sa kada volume, or sa kada book, ay may 2 stories. This set is, if makikita nyo sa Lazada, I think may nagbebenta sa Lazada, it's 5,600. But if you order from me, and of course, if you're a subscriber, you have a very big discount. So invest now in the things or in the books that are valuable for your children. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.